today is a how-to video, how to fit some extended tips to your E92 standard exhaust. So first thing you want to do is you want to remove the exhaust. You've got two mounts up here, two mounts here, these two here, so undo these first and then you can remove all that. So you got 4 rivets on each one, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. You just want to drill those out and then you can start fitting your new tips. When you've got the old tips off, it's just a case of putting your new tips on. You can either weld them or you can clamp them. I'm clamping them because they came with clamps. Right, so the tips are fitted now. The next step is just to refit your exhaust and see how it looks. If the tips are in the right place, then job's done. Right, so the exhaust is fitted on the car and this is the first look at the exhaust tips fully fitted.
I would have when I flipped it in a double. All that I would have when I flipped it in a double.
So there you go guys, that is how to fit extended exhaust tips on your E92 M3, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out guys, stay safe.
Yeah, I'm here to stay. I don't fuck around, boy, I mean what I say. You done playing nice, but I'm tired of playing. Take it how you want it, but I'm sick of the waiting. Man, I'm done with y'all faking, I'm just over this shit. I've been too kind like a copy and print.